This 2020 Palomino Solaire 304 RKDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, awning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Palomino Solaire 304 RKDS is 7,291 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.